Can you list 1000 items at once? Hi, this is Kaji from Ecom Clips, and I'm gonna see if it is possible to list 1000 items at once on Walmart. So guys, join my screen. Logging to Walmart. This is the dashboard. Go to Catalog, click Add Items. On this page, you will find this link. Click on it. From this pop-up, click on the top one, and now we will land on this page. Here you gotta choose categories. My item belongs to the fashion category. Next. Now we need to select the product type. Just drop down this menu, select the option that match with your products. You can select multiple options if you want. Then next, now choose a fulfillment template. I'm gonna select seller fulfillment, then download. Open the file you have just downloaded. Now this is our feed file. We need to fill this with all the item information like SKU, UPC, item name, brand description, features, image URLs, variation, and all the other things. Here we gave SKU. From the product ID type, we have select GTIN. If you are using UPC, then type the name here. Then put the codes in the next column. Put those image URLs, so this way give all necessary things. Here you can see we have prepared our feed file with all the data. This way you can gather data for thousands of items. I'll show you the limit later on this video. Now go back to this page, hit exit, and again click on add items. Now drag the file into this box or click browse and upload. Then next, import items. Done. It will take up to 4 hours to process before showing to catalog. Now if you guys are thinking, will Walmart actually allow us to upload 10,000 items with a single feed file?
Oh my god! Wow!
Can you believe it? Then look at this. Walmart says you are absolutely allowed to do that, but the limit is 10,000 and your file size should be below 10 megabytes. If these things are okay, then you are good to go. That's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. So please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. We have got hundreds of videos. Go check this out. Thanks for watching.